And the second thing I'll tell you is that bargaining during these types of times, it's a delicate game, right? I think it's great that you went for the data analyst position, but you want to make sure you don't go a step too far, right? It is possible to go a step too far when it comes to these types of arrangements and these discussions and all that, right? So I think you did pretty well. The internship value is in being there and in seeing how things work in the real world and having that on your resume. So you don't want to go a step too far and maybe, come off as being a little bit greedy or kind of leaving a bad taste in people's mouth, because at the end of the day you have to work with them, right? You have to complete the internship. You've only landed it at this point. You still got to go in there and prove yourself and do a good job, right? Hopefully, you're going to do that. You're going to shine in there, and then you're going to be relying on them to give you a reference for your next job, right? So you want to make sure you don't go a step too far in your demands, right? So I commend you for getting it. I think you're in a good position. I think you're still going to be able to do data science roles or more of that dedicated items.